Good morning, St. Paul's, and welcome to our celebration assembly with our host, Mr. Thompson.
Welcome to another special assembly. Thank you for all your hard work this week. I'm very excited to see which children have been nominated this week by their teachers. I just want to say a special mention to all the people who have been sending in wonderful offline tasks. I can see you've been very, very busy, as well as doing your Purple Mash work. I'd also just like to say that we do still run the library on a Friday. If you'd like to come in and collect a book to borrow, then please come in between 11 and 1 o'clock. Okay, over to Mr. Bowflower to hear what Year 6 have been up to.
Thank you very much, Mr. Thompson. Hello, Year 6. Hope you're all well. Some of you I'm actually with today at school. And for some of you who are at home, I hope you're all well. And thank you for all the work that you have been doing. It was tough to choose my two Significant Achievement Awards today, but I have gone with Irfan. So well done, Irfan. Irfan has been doing his offline tasks every week, and Irfan did a great piece of writing. So thank you, Irfan, for responding to that. Keep it up. The second person I'm choosing is Gwen. Gwen has been working really hard, and she did some great work in class today. She wrote in great detail about her favourite place that she's ever visited, which was Connecticut in the USA. So thank you guys, good work, and for the rest of you, take care, and hopefully I'll see all of you soon. Over to Miss O'Reilly. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Mr. Bowflower. Hi, Year 5. This week's significant achievements are for Anika and James. James, because you worked really well on creating a continuation of the story Where C Eagles Fly, which we were reading last week in Purple Mash. I was particularly impressed that you used the word cacophony in your writing to explain all the harsh sounds that were happening. Brilliant work, James. Keep it up. And finally, Anika, you're working really hard now on Purple Mash. I'm really impressed. Though, that you got the word dodecahedron correct in your quiz on 3D shapes. Keep it up, Year 5. I love receiving your emails and your messages and seeing all of your hard work. Now over to Mr. John.
Thank you, Miss O'Reilly, and good morning, St. Paul's. I hope you are all well. The significant achievements for Year 4 this week are, first off, Daria, for his incredible Roman shield that he made using junk modelling. He used amazing colours. He clearly did his research of what they look like and included really fantastic details on it, so well done, Daria. Our second achievement is for Kareem. Kareem has been putting a lot of effort into his Purple Mash work over the past 2 weeks, and in this piece of work, he recreated a conversation he had with his friend using correct punctuation for direct speech, and he also went back and edited and improved his work each time. So Kareem, well done. Keep up the hard work. Thank you for all the great work you've been sending in. And now over to Mr. Cush.
Thank you, Mr. John, and good morning, St. Paul's. It is so lovely to be with you all again for another celebration assembly. This past week in Year 3, we have been thinking about persuasive writing and creating posters and writing letters to persuade the local council to not close a local park. Therefore, this week I'd like to nominate 2 pupils. First, I'd like to nominate Hania for a colourful and well-written poster to get volunteers to help clean up the local park. I'd also like to nominate Hawa, who has written a very well-structured, persuasive letter with lots of different reasons why, to tell the council why they shouldn't close the local park. Well done to both of you, and I look forward to seeing some more fantastic learning from Year 3 over this week. Now I pass over to Mr. Thompson.
Hello, Year 2. Thank you for all your hard work this week. You've all been doing some fantastic stuff. The 2 people I'd like to mention are Rija, who wrote a letter to the woodcutter in the story Little Red Riding Hood. It was very well planned, very well written, and I was incredibly impressed. And secondly, Safia, who drew a beautiful jigsaw butterfly. Well done, both of you, and keep up the hard work, Year 2.
Thank you, Mr. Thompson. Hi, good morning, everyone. It's good to see you all again, and I hope you are doing well. Welcome to another special assembly. This week's nominations for year 1 are for Brian, who has sent in a drawing of his favourite book called What's This and What's This, What's That, and he has also written about what the book is about. And Fayaz, who has also sent in a picture, front cover drawing of his favourite book called The Runaway Egg. Both of these pictures are actually exactly the same front cover as the actual book. So thank you for sending those in, and well done to both of you. That's it for this week, and I will see you all next week. Stay safe, and it's over to Miss Wright. Bye.
Thank you, Miss Ali. Good morning, butterflies. I hope you're all well this week. The Assembly nominations, I've got 3 this week. The first one goes to Salma for always completing all her work on Purple Mash activities. Salma created a family portrait and labelled everyone in her family. Well done. The next one goes to Ariana for writing a great sentence on how much she misses her friends. Ariana's working really hard on her writing. Keep up all the good work. And the next one goes to Adam for never giving up, always giving his 100%. He enjoys his Purple Mash work and enjoys a challenge each week. He created his own computer games using tools online. Well done. Over to you, Miss Blake.
Thank you, Mrs. Wright. Good morning, everybody. I hope you are all well. And now it's time for nurseries nominations. So, firstly, I have chosen Myra for doing some really good counting work. I know that you cut out your handprints and you use them to count to 10, so well done, that's great. And my second nomination goes to Arafat. You did some fantastic handprint art. So you cut out your handprints and you made a beautiful butterfly. And it was really lovely to see. Thank you to both of you. And now over to this week's prayer. Take care. Bye-bye.
Dear God, please keep everyone at St. Paul safe and healthy. Let these days pass quickly so we can reunite. Thank you for all your blessings. Amen.